Understanding community needs in Southeastern Alberta. Community organizations are the heartbeat of Southeastern Alberta, but they are facing growing challenges. Our recent survey highlights the most pressing needs they're experiencing. Here's what we found. Funding security is the number one concern. Organizations are struggling with sustainable funding due to short-term government contracts, inflationary pressures, and administrative burdens. Long-term funding is essential for stability, program delivery, and impactful community outcomes. Through the survey, we learned that the dependence on short-term funding poses significant risks for long-term planning. The uncertainty complicates recruitment and retention of talented employees and volunteers, leading to challenges in managing program stability. Staffing shortages and volunteer engagement are critical. Recruiting skilled staff and retaining volunteers is a growing challenge. Rising training costs and funding instability make it harder to sustain operations. The survey also showed that funding and staffing are interconnected. Rising cost of training along with the cancellation of the Canada-Alberta Job Grant make it financially difficult to provide the necessary training. Mental health, food security, housing, it's all connected. Respondents highlight the interconnectedness of the social determinants of health. They emphasize that addressing these social determinants of health is essential for enhancing overall well-being and promoting social inclusion. Another survey response showed that food insecurity, housing instability, and mental health are deeply connected. Without stable housing and access to nutritious food, mental health suffers. Medicine Hat's experience shows that integrated wraparound supports lead to better outcomes rather than siloed services. To truly address the social determinants of health, programs must be funded and delivered holistically. Buildings and equipment are in major need of repairs and upgrades. Charities and local organizations struggle to secure funding for essential upgrades and equipment costs. These investments are critical to improving services and meeting community needs, but government funding often overlooks infrastructure support. Another survey respondent said, as a nonprofit without reserves, this unexpected cost strains our operations budget, potentially impacting other essential repairs or requiring external fundraising. Targeted support for vulnerable groups through tailored programs and services. Specific needs for newcomers, individuals with disabilities, and seniors are frequently mentioned. Another survey respondent said, many of our families struggle with addiction, mental health, meeting basic needs such as housing and food security. Many are also newcomers to Canada, so they have extra needs with regards to culture and language barriers. We need support, awareness, and collaboration at all levels. Several organizations emphasize the need for strengthened partnerships with other agencies, enhanced community engagement, and increased public awareness of their services and target populations. Another respondent said, we need to create opportunities to engage with the community and key stakeholders. These findings underscore the need for collaborative solutions involving government, agencies, private sector partners, and community stakeholders to address these recurring issues effectively. Together, we can build a stronger Southeastern Alberta.